LGA 1155 motherboards were first introduced in 2011 and were a significant upgrade over the previous LGA 1156 socket. These motherboards were designed to support Intel's second-generation core processors, also known as Sandy Bridge. Today, LGA 1155 motherboards are still popular among budget-conscious PC builders and gamers looking to build a reliable and capable system without breaking the bank. In this article, we'll take a closer look at what LGA 1155 motherboards are, their key features, and why they remain relevant today. What is an LGA 1155 motherboard? An LGA 1155 motherboard is a type of motherboard that is designed to support Intel's second-generation core processors. The term LGA stands for Land Grid Array, which refers to the design of the CPU socket. The 1155 in the name refers to the number of pins on the socket. LGA 1155 motherboards feature a rectangular socket with 1155 pins that connect to the processor. LGA 1155 motherboards were introduced in 2011 and were a significant upgrade over the previous LGA 1156 socket. These motherboards were designed to support Intel's second-generation core processors, also known as Sandy Bridge. These processors were the first to use Intel's 32nm manufacturing process, which allowed for better performance and power efficiency compared to the previous generation. Key features of LGA 1155 motherboards. LGA 1155 motherboards come with a number of features that make them an attractive option for budget-conscious PC builders and gamers. Here are some of the key features of these motherboards. Compatibility with second-generation core processors. LGA 1155 motherboards are designed to support Intel's second-generation core processors. These processors offer better performance and power efficiency compared to the previous generation, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious PC builders and gamers. DDR3 memory support. LGA 1155 motherboards support DDR3 memory, which is still widely available and is less expensive compared to the newer DDR4 memory. Multiple PCIe slots. LGA 1155 motherboards typically come with multiple PCIe slots, allowing for the installation of multiple graphics cards or other expansion cards. SATA 3 support. LGA 1155 motherboard supports SATA 3, which allows for faster data transfer speeds compared to SATA 2. USB 3.0 support. Many LGA 1155 motherboards come with USB 3.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer speeds compared to USB 2.0. Overclocking support. LGA 1155 motherboards support overclocking, allowing users to increase the clock speed of their processor for better performance. Why are LGA 1155 motherboards still relevant today? LGA 1155 motherboards may be several years old, but they still offer a number of benefits that make them a relevant option for PC builders and gamers today. Here are some of the reasons why LGA 1155 motherboards are still a good choice. Affordability. LGA 1155 motherboards are less expensive compared to newer motherboards that support DDR4 memory in the latest processors. This makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious PC builders and gamers who want to build a reliable system without breaking the bank. Compatibility with second-generation core processors. Intel's second-generation core processors still offer good performance and power efficiency compared to newer processors. LGA 1155 motherboards are designed to support these processors, which makes them a good option for users who want to build a system that can handle everyday tasks, gaming, and light productivity. Availability of parts. Since LGA 1155 motherboards have been around for several years, there is a wide availability of parts and accessories that are compatible with these motherboards. This makes it easier for users to find replacement parts or upgrades for their system without having to search for outdated or hard-to-find components. Overclocking support. LGA 1155 motherboards offer support for overclocking, allowing users to increase the clock speed of their processor for better performance. While newer motherboards may offer more advanced overclocking features, LGA 1155 motherboards still offer a good level of overclocking support for users who want to push their system to its limits. Flexibility. LGA 1155 motherboards offer a good level of flexibility, allowing users to choose from a wide range of compatible components, such as graphics cards, storage drives, and memory modules. This makes it easy for users to build a system that meets their specific needs and preferences. When building a system with an LGA 1155 motherboard, it is important to note that there are different types of LGA 1155 motherboards available. These include H61, H67, P67, and Z68 motherboards, each with their own set of features and capabilities. H61 motherboards are the most basic type of LGA 1155 motherboard and are typically designed for budget systems. These motherboards offer basic features such as SATA 3 and USB 3.0 support, but do not support overclocking or multiple graphics cards. H67 and P67 motherboards offer more advanced features, such as support for multiple graphics cards and overclocking, but have some limitations, such as the lack of integrated graphics support on P67 motherboards. Z68 motherboards are the most advanced type of LGA 1155 motherboard, offering support for multiple graphics cards, overclocking, and integrated graphics support. These motherboards also offer features such as SSD caching and Intel QuickSync video technology, which allows for faster video encoding and decoding. When choosing an LGA 1155 motherboard, it is important to consider your specific needs and budget, as well as the compatibility of the motherboard with your chosen processor and other components. It is also important to research the different types of LGA 1155 motherboards available to ensure that you choose a motherboard that meets your specific needs and preferences. LGA 1155 motherboards may be several years old, but they still offer a good level of performance and features that make them a relevant option for PC builders and gamers today. These motherboards offer compatibility with second-generation core processors, DDR3 memory support, multiple PCIe slots, SATA 3 support, USB 3.0 support, overclocking support, and flexibility in choosing compatible components. When building a system with an LGA 1155 motherboard, it is important to choose the right type of motherboard that meets your specific needs and preferences, and to ensure compatibility with your chosen processor and other components. With careful consideration and research, an LGA 1155 motherboard can be a reliable and capable foundation for a budget-friendly PC build or gaming system.